Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys a little more in-depth video of the two side cargo boxes. I recently found out there's a plug down there so you can drain water. That's pretty sweet. The gasket is really nice. It keeps water out. I had, like fabric and stuff in here, kept it dry. I also suggest going over all the screws just to make sure they're snug and tight. And we got 4 10mm bolts right there that I just checked, and they actually did turn a little bit, so I snugged those up. Don't over tighten. So in here you're gonna want to use a 5mm Allen wrench, tighten those up a little bit. And here you could actually adjust these. You could see the adjustment markings to make it snug. And then over here, let me close it real quick. You have another 5mm right there you could check on both sides. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 4 10mm on the inside, and a whole crap ton. I think these are smaller. These are only maybe 3 or 4 mil. So yeah, just go over everything and make sure it's all snug. You don't want it coming off. You can even add a little Loctite if you want, but I haven't done that. And here we have the center box with both left and right sides off. This thing is huge. I think in the video I saw he said 100 and some liters it could hold. And you have this really nice like back lumbar pad here. Aluminum up here, tie more down if you want. This has a single opening latch with the like automotive grade seal around here, so it's watertight. It's held on to the bracket that would have a seat with 4 bolts. They're 5mm Allen heads. And then here's the quick connect that secures it once it's clicked into the seat. You have one here and then one right there. This thing's pretty cool. You could just ride like this. If you're by yourself, you could just hold everything you need right there. So yeah, this is what comes in the North America version. In I think Canada and like some parts of Europe, they have it's like a one-piece big box with a seat, or there's like a big box with another little compartment. So I like this version a lot. I wish I had a seat, but a cushion like that works just fine. I've been using like a heavy-duty cushion for my girlfriend and stuff. It works just fine. So for now, the seat's like $569 US. So you have these little rubber stoppers just so it doesn't hit the other boxes. But it's funny because they really don't even touch when the other boxes are on. They don't touch it at all. So there's no plug in this one, so you don't really want to, at least that I saw. But you know, I mean, you have holes where the quick connect thing is. Yeah, pretty solid. I got a cheap Harbor Freight tree saver strap. I think 1,000 pounds is the working max load on it. Here we have it with all 3 boxes. You can see what I mean, where it's not even touching the rubber. I adjusted these to really like snug these boxes down because I mean, they could probably even use a little more, but they were a little looser than that. So yeah, there's a lot of it's big. Like I like to drive with it, you know, obviously without them if I'm just, you know, cruising around, but it adds a decent amount of weight just empty, and then, you know, it looks huge. But what do you guys think? Do you like the US version with the padding, or the one with the seat, or the other one where it's like one big box that opens up like a trunk? I think this one's the best, but a seat would be awesome. So that's the next investment